Yo, Regan here. So today's video, my cousin will be making some sort of slime, and I'm new to YouTube, so if you like seeing more videos, which will be like a variety of stuff, it'll be pranks, vlogs, everything. Just subscribe, press the little bell. So yeah, I won't be speaking during this vlog. It'll be my cousin just for this vlog. So yeah. Take it over to her.
Turn around. So this is basically, I'm going to be going through how I made this slime. Now, I did like some of the main ingredients, but these are the two actual main ingredients. This is like activator. Just add some of that. Okay. This is brand new, so that's why it's making that sound. And basically, I'm going to try to make crunchy slime. If this doesn't actually turn out, then in the freezer, which it should do, who knows, but let's just try and not undo this. And yeah, it's making it, it's going all watery now, but it's like thick at the same time. So I think I am going to just I'll take the iPad. Well, can you go and get that green toothpaste? So there it is. It's like combined together, and it's like very thick. It's covered all that, so it's a bit really thick, but it's just too sticky. There's a toothpaste. And there it is. Right, Regan's going to.
So this is
Extreme Mint.
It's available to purchase at Tesco for around about £1 to £1.50.
Yeah. Yeah. Are you going to be uploading this? I'm going to have quite a lot of this. Not too much, because obviously it's my favourite toothpaste. And if this doesn't work out, it's a waste of money, but it's fun to
So what will you be doing overnight? Will it be freezing? What will it be doing?
It'll be freezing.
In the freezer?
Yeah, and it will go, I think it will go ice, but then I'm going to get a knife, just stab it
Break
a bit, and then in the, it'll be like all slutchy, and then we'll play with it. And it should turn to slime. But,
So that'll be in tomorrow's vlog, guys. So
Yeah.
stay tuned. We'll see if it works out. If it don't work out, we'll try another solution.
yeah, we'll keep trying each day.
Oh, and tomorrow's vlog it'll be with a drone, which
Yeah.
I have my own drone.
And
so I will be taking it on the park, and yeah, we'll be flying the drone.
Yeah. Do you know your password and everything to this?
So what?
Your
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Well, you could do it. Oh right, yeah. And
Well, you could do what?
and if I would just go and say it on my phone, you could have done it. And because you can't, are you going to take that to the park with you? Right. I was just going to say you could connect it to my phone because it's smaller.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But can't because I don't know your password.
Oh yeah.
So.
Anyway, it's looking good because it's like, oh, and this is what slime's supposed to look like. I don't know why this isn't working because it's like activator. But soon we're going to get some cornstarch, which is actually around £7. This is just like the best thing because if you watch, right, look at it, right, look there, it's like water. But then look, right, look, it's clumpy and it's like, I can't wait to add the rice. That is just like
The thing what she was adding before is actually nail polish. We're just adding like just home gadgets. What's like what people use daily, just to see what this like comes out to.
if they're like.
We've been using shaving cream as well. Sensitive gel.
Which is actually better because if you listen gel and it's just the other one is just like water and you put it in your hand like that, it's like I'll just give you a quick look. If you look, if you watch when it comes out, it looks like it's gel, and then as soon as you do it, it comes out into shaving cream. And it feels so thick, guys, so it should work. Fingers crossed it does, isn't it?
Fingers crossed.
Everything crossed. I am on YouTube, and I'm not new on YouTube. I think I have 60.
So, what's your name on YouTube?
Lady Monkman.
Lacey Monkman. Follow her on YouTube, subscribe. Like and subscribe.
Now my hands up, please. Can you just like take that camera with you and get me towel?
Oh yeah.
And talk us through like all the things that will be happening, challenges and things.
We will be doing challenges, everything really, vlogs, challenges, pranks, dares, everything really, so stay tuned. We may be crap at vlogging at first, but as we get...
Because I'm not really a vlogger, I'm things that like do room tours, nighttime routines, and it's really all, it's Regan's sister who actually,
Yeah, hold that a sec.
yeah, I will hold that. So basically, it's looking kind of good because it's like thick, but I'm not too sure. Like, it's so like, wow, and I just like it. I think we might doing a video over on my channel, can't we? Do a video
And just a quick one. I have got my drone here, so I will show you. And what really it is, it's got a camera, so I will be recording from the sky,
and we'll show you from my laptop.
and we'll show you from the laptop.
Should we show them the ones that we got today?
No, not
We'll
today.
show them tomorrow.
We'll show them tomorrow.
When we do.
So yeah, stay tuned to come up with On a Journey with a Drone.
It wouldn't be even better if like, do you watch those people who like buy phones and like put like M&Ms around them, see if it smashes from like 100 feet drop? That is so good.
Like tech cracks.
Yeah. And do you know that one?
And Gizmo Slip.
Yeah, that's the one I watch. I love them. But it's like, why would you buy that? They must be rich to buy them.
Yeah.
I've watched a video where they make what's it called, slime? The most world's expensive slime. It isn't them though, and they buy iPhone 7s and like iPad, the new iPad Airs, and they put it and they mix it, but it doesn't turn out right, obviously, because they don't stick, and they still work.
We're gonna have to go and put it in the freezer.
Yeah, we are. Should we go and put it in the freezer now? It is lovely.
So this is what it looks like now, and I'll show you what it looks like when it comes out of the freezer.
And I think tomorrow
in tomorrow's vlog.
yeah. Okay, I'm just Regan will just.
We're just actually cleaning the house.
This is our room, isn't it, Regan?
And I will be doing gaming videos as well.
Like my brother.
Yeah, like his brother, like her brother. And I have got an Xbox One, so I
you
will
just
be doing
connect it
gaming
to that
videos.
and
Yeah,
it's so good. It's like you can
with
do.
my friends as well.
Yeah,
Like another Jacksepticeye, but obviously
better.
not as
Not as
good.
abusive and
Not as good.
not as abusive as well with the language.
Oh, I'll be saying a lot of bad language when I'm raging. Don't you worry about that. Alright, let's go and put it in the fridge.
Right then, should we?
No, just leave them here. We'll put it in the freezer and then we'll.
Yeah. Do you not want to go and do that while I put these away?
Yeah. Do you want to take?
I'll take.
You?
Yeah, and you go and put it in the
I'll go and
freezer.
put it in the freezer. So, guys, why have you stopped it?
I haven't stopped it. It's still on. I'm just going to be putting these back. Now that goes in there. This goes in there. And this. To go. And this. Switch off like this. I'll give you a quick tour of our room. It's so good. Here it is. Here it is. I gave them a quick tour of our room as well.
Yeah.
Did you put it in freezer?
Yep.
Right.
That's
Can you go and put the lid? Oh,
for
right.
tomorrow. So
Sweet.
this is the end of this vlog, guys. If you want to see more of my videos, subscribe, like, leave a comment, and yeah, we'll see you tomorrow with a drone.
Look, and it is so good quality.
We'll see you whenever I put a video up. So thanks, guys.
Tomorrow.
Have you got out to say?
Yeah, and basically tomorrow when we see you, we will also sometimes like be playing games on the park as well.
Yeah.
Other than the
With
drone?
the dog.
Yeah, with the dog, we'll take the dog, Daisy. He's got a bit. So tomorrow, the slime when we take it out of the freezer will be all slutchy and icy. It might be, or it might be just slutchy, and then I'll play with it for a bit and add the rice. And if it doesn't turn out well, I'm still playing with it.
Alright.
Bye.
So that is the end of today's video. So bye.
Bye.